Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the job safe and visible. Park level, chalk wheels, and disconnect the battery. Once batteries are safe, unbolt and support the transmission. Follow the manual torque points to avoid damage. Remove the clutch assembly and immediately inspect the flywheel for hot spots and scoring, check the pilot bearing, and measure clutch disc thickness. These checks tell you whether to resurface the flywheel or replace components, and they prevent repeat failures when you reassemble. You now measure and prepare parts for correct function. First, check clutch disc spline fit and runout. Use an alignment tool to center the disc on the flywheel so the transmission input shaft slides in easily. If resurfacing the flywheel, do it before assembly and clean all mating surfaces. Then install the pressure plate and clutch disc, tightening bolts in a star pattern to the specified torque to avoid warping. Doing this ensures even clamp load and longer clutch life. You finish by reassembling and validating operation. Reinstall the transmission carefully onto the aligned clutch, torque bell housing and mount bolts to spec, and reconnect electrical and linkages. Once mounted, adjust clutch free play or bleed the hydraulic system to remove air and set the correct engagement point. This prevents premature wear and dragging. Finally, road test in varied gears and load conditions. If you hear grinding, slipping, or a high engagement point,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.